representing the Kenya Chamber of Commerce Women in Business. We are at Eka Hotel today. I'm here with the chamber business women that normally do and apply for tenders for AGPO. So today, together with the ICR, we are here to have a focus group, mainly to get information from the women on why they're not being awarded the tenders by AGPO. So as much as the government has commendably allocated the 30% for women, youth, and people with disability, a lot of women are not having access to these opportunities. So this is why we are here today, collecting their grievances, feedback, challenges, and as the Chamber of Commerce, this is our duty as we work towards a solution for this.
Hi everyone, Christine Mwende is my name, the County Liaison Officer, Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, Nairobi County. I am so excited to welcome you to Nairobi, the city under the sun and the only national park. One of the key things that have also some of our members have mentioned is that they need a lot of capacity building so that they get to access these government opportunities, and so many stakeholders are requested to join hands so that they can be able to empower our women and also the youth.
Hello, my name is Martha Wanjiru. I'm a member of the KNNCI for a long time, and my business is water-related solutions. I'm in borehole drilling, clean water supplies, irrigation system, piping, name it, anything about water. And personally, I've said AGPO has made me go places, but still there's a lot of things to be sorted out, especially for the percentage of the women are getting. Maybe it can be added, but maybe it can be enhanced more. Secondly, the payment process also needs to be upscaled in a way, and ideally it should also be formalized to people even in the lower cadre. Let's say maybe I'm able to access the information. What about the people at the lower ground? Let's Mama Mboga, the people doing the most efficient jobs, so the services providers. Some don't know about AGPO. So they should also go to the county levels. There's Nairobi, Kisumu, Mombasa, but they should go to Kiambu, Embu, name it, so that people are aware.
My name is Mary Kibugi. I'm a committee member of Women in Business at the Kenya Chambers of Commerce. Being one of the beneficiaries of AGPO, I also can share my own personal challenges, where the bidding process, sometimes you find that there are cases where the specifications are a bit ambiguous, and those are the issues that are being raised, and also the payment processes, which are so long, and you find that also creates challenges, because then women are not able to raise the right working capital to continue with their businesses. And we hope that by being able to collect the different views as the Kenya Chamber of Commerce, we can be able then to work together with AGPO and other stakeholders to create the right solutions and to be able to empower our women economically as they take advantage of the various opportunities, which are very many, that they can be able to access by working with government.
So it has been a very productive day. We've gotten a lot of feedback from the ladies, and we are ready to put together the document, together of course with ICR,